Hi friends, welcome to IS with Santosh. Guys, in this video again, I am going to predict one question in the UPSC Prelims 2023. Guys, you all know that environment subject covers the highest weightage among all the subjects in the UPSC Prelims examination. Any student who does well in the environment section, he is bound to succeed in the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, this year I have covered environment very holistically, whether it is in my notes, whether it is in my Optima full length test and sectional test, or whether it is Optima cards. So in this video again I am going to talk about one topic which has a very high chance to come in the UPSC prelims. Guys, the theme this year, if you see in the environment section, is green financing. Okay, let me just write it, green financing. Overall, if you see throughout this year, this topic of green financing has been in news, and definitely at least one question you can expect on green financing. So in this video I am going to discuss one topic. Again, I'll make few more videos on this topic of green financing, and I will cover all possible questions. So guys, this year, in 2021, RBI commits to integrate climate related risk into the financial stability monitoring. So guys, RBI has decided to basically join the NGFS. NGFS. So this NGFS is very important. Let us see what is NGFS and why this NGFS has a high chance to come in the UPSC prelims examination. So guys, NGFS stands for Network for Greening the Financial System. It is what? It is a network of 114 central banks and financial supervisors that aim to accelerate the scaling up of green finance and develop recommendations for central banks' role for climate change. Guys, this green finance is very important, because without green finance we will not be able to transition to net zero. We need green financing, and this network of 114 central banks plays a very important role in this. Guys, one thing which is very important UPSC will ask is, when was this network established? So this network was announced at Paris One Planet Summit. Paris One Planet Summit in December 2017, because generally they will ask, when was it launched? It was launched in Paris One Planet Summit in 2017, and there were 8 founding members. There were 8 founding members. You can see here, France, Central Bank of France, Dutch Central Bank, England Central Bank, Hong Kong Central Bank. So these were some of the the 8 founding members. India was not the founding member. They can trap you there. India was the founding member of the Network for Green Financing Financial System? No. India joined in 2021. India joined in 2021. Some international organizations are observers. What are these? You can see here Asian Development Bank, then Bank for International Settlement, then Basel Committee for Banking Supervision. These are observer institutions. These are observer institutions. Guys, this is very important. You will have high chance of getting this question. So they will give 2 statements. What they will say? India was the founding member. No, India was not the founding member. India joined in 2021. And second, it was established in 2017. It was established in 2017 at Paris One Planet Summit. At Paris One Planet Summit. One more important point is, you can see this NGFS has created National Institute Global Economic Metric Model. This is very important. Global Economic Metric Model. What is the role of this National Institute Global Economic Model? The role is to basically give policy insight. The role is to give policy insight. So guys, this, if you can get questions, you can get questions on this National Institute for Global Economic Metric Model. You can get question on this. Basically the idea is to give policy insights, how you can basically balance economic growth and climate change, how you can balance. So this is very, very important. So please do prepare. You can refer to these Optima cards, and you can also refer to my important question series, where I am predicting most of the questions, all important questions on these topics, particularly my Optima cards of environment. Last year most of the questions came from my Optima cards. Environment and science and tech. If you are able to score more, guys, no one can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination. Guys, please do like this video and share this video with friends. In the next 4 or 5 days, I'll be giving you a lot of questions in the UPSC prelims examination. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.